we've been to the Três Paineiras, it's your ranch, but now we're at a friend's house.
Yeah.
And what's happening behind us? What are we doing here today?
We're doing a churrasco, family style, that normally, what we normally do here in Brazil with the ribs, beef ribs. We're doing a lamb, we're doing some picanha, some sausages.
I see some local trout on the grill.
Some local trout with lardo. So it's the type of churrasco that we used to do in the 80s before British beef came in.
Okay. So it's been cooking for about 7 hours now, I think.
Yeah.
You think it's about ready?
The lamb is basically ready. Oh, yeah, it's almost done. The beef ribs, I like to take about 10 hours.
Okay, so that will be our dessert.
Yeah.
Good. I'm happy with that. Let's grab another beer.
Oh yeah.
You waiting for the best thing to come around. Forget about the stress